guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess where I am right now? I am in Nairobi, Kenya, and I just got ready to go out. I am going out to the giraffe center here with few of my colleagues. I am done getting ready and I'm waiting for them to give me a call and we will head out. So yeah, I will take you guys along with me. Enjoy the video. Bye. Hi guys, I have met my friends. Say hi to my vlog. This is Trishna. She's from Arunachal. And this is Divya. She's from?
Hello, Delhi.
Delhi.
Heart of
Delhi
India.
Heart. South Delhi? I'm going with them, only 3 of us. We'll first now, then we'll head out. Our cab is here. Say hi. Hi. We have to withdraw money first because they don't accept card. Go. Hi. Hi Trishna.
Entry from here.
Say hi.
That was good.
For tickets. Huh? These are the charges. Thank you. Okay, I'll let you go. Sorry. Hi. We are done exploring and we are gonna have some snacks here and then we will head towards our hotel. So yeah, just chilling here. I'm having ice americano, masala tea.
Yours?
Where's the Fanta?
It's on the way.
Oh my god. Their coffee is very light. It's like water.
उन्होंने बोला मसाला या जिंजर तो मैंने कहा कैन यू मिक्स जिंजर इन मसाला टी बोलता है हाँ बोलता है
मसाला
okay.
में तो जिंजर आता है.
नहीं कुछ लोग ना अगर आप कहीं की जगह मसाला टी ऑर्डर करोगे दे विल नॉट मिक्स जिंजर
अच्छा.
they'll just mix clove cardamom all this.
I know how to do that. That's not a problem at all.
ये अच्छा है फोटो.
We're just going through our pictures and editing. We can't wait till we reach. Hi guys, we are done exploring. We're done with the food and we are going back now. How was the experience, guys? Please share.
Epic, so good.
So good, right? I would recommend everyone to go here, like the crew, whoever have Nairobi layover. You should experience this feeling. It's so good. No exit from here. We stopped by to a street shop to get some souvenirs. Oh, there's no fridge magnet. What are you doing? This will come in the middle like this.
Yeah.
क्या लग रहा है? We have stopped by in another place. We're searching for a fridge magnet. So hopefully we will get it here. Wow! Oh my god, it's amazing. Wow. These are all earrings. My god, look at that. Where is the fridge magnet? Oh wow. What are the prices?
800.
यहाँ पे तो और महंगा है. Can you give discount?
That's why I sell the price, same price. But the other means you can get a discount.
Why? You have to give discount on fridge magnets as well.
You know, these ones are very good, but this one's a little bit, that's why.
Hey guys, I have reached my hotel room. I'm gonna get changed, take a shower and sleep for some time. From the gift shop, I got something. I just got one thing. I got a fridge magnet. I just got this for home. Yeah. Hello guys, today is the next day. We are not going anywhere today because my knee was hurting so much. I don't know why, and one of my friends was puking a lot last night, so we canceled the plan. We are not doing anything today. We'll just sit by the pool and just spend the day doing nothing. Hey guys, today is the day that we're going back. It is the third day and I got ready 3 hours ago. Once I was done getting ready, then we got a notification. We got a information that the flight is delayed, so I was sitting with my makeup for 3 hours. Now it's all, we just got a wake-up call and it's almost time for checkup, so I'm just gonna touch up my makeup, do my hair. now I will end my vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog, and I hope you enjoy it. Please do remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.